Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting Hermès reveal to share with you. I have a few items that I picked up while I was visiting my sales associate and collecting my first quota bag of the year. I will start with the quota bag so that everyone who just wants to see the bag can move on. But if you just want to see the bag, literally just follow me on Instagram because that's where you get the reveals quickly. YouTube is long form. So if you like long form, come to YouTube. But if you just want the gratification, then you can go get that instant gratification on TikTok or Instagram. Just saying, it's all linked below. Okay, so here's my first quota bag of the year. I am so excited. Do you know what it is just based on the size and shape of the box? I feel like you guys are going to be surprised by this, but maybe not. I don't have anything like this in my collection. Okay, now do you know what it is? And I like saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, yes. Like I don't have anything like it in my collection, so it's not really super intuitive, but that makes it more intuitive because just wait till you see it. Okay, so the wish was a jelly bean or candy colored mini Kelly. That was like what I was just like, mini Kelly, and it's like, what color? Neutral? I'm like, no, like taste the rainbow. I want like a rainbow, yellow, orange, red, green, blue, violet, like, you know, pink. I don't really need pink though. Anyway, without further ado, this is my Bleu Hydra mini Kelly, an Epsom. I know, gasp me with an Epsom bag. I'm like the biggest Epsom hater in the world. Bleu Hydra mini Kelly Epsom with palladium hardware. She's so cute and actually love her with gray black. That's why I wore it today. And I will try it on for you guys. So for reference, I am 5'6", like 180, pear-shaped person, human. And this is what it looks like on me. And then we will get into the other items that I picked up while I was there. So if you like Hermès, you could stick around, but if you just want the bag reveal, we'll do that. And then maybe at the end, if the battery doesn't die, I'll go through pre-spend, or you know what, I'll just do that in another video because I want to sit down and pull up my phone or whatever, but I'll do that. Although I will say the math gets complicated once you get into special order because it's like, when does the math? What's pre-spend for what? This is how it looks. I wouldn't call it cross. It's a high cross. The handle's like right under my boob, but you know, I did it when so I bought it and then I was like, I'm immediately using it. And I was like running around New York and it was like sleeting, snowing, crazy. But I wore it like this and then put my jacket over, which worked well for that. I'm fine with a high cross. Honestly, it's so cute. It's a moment. It was like my FA has been bothering me for a long time to wish for a mini Kelly, get a mini Kelly. They're like, you need one. No one will know that you're such a good client if you don't have one. I'm like, this is so backwards. Can I have a Kelly 35? No. Okay, anyway, the other item that I got while I was there, I got 2 pieces of ready to wear. Let me just grab it for you. It's so funny because I posted about this on TikTok, or even while I was like checking out, there was another fashion advisor helping us check out. And she was like, wait, we have these? Wait, how'd you get that sweater? And I'm like, I'm literally collecting my mini Kelly. What do you mean? Like, you would think that this would be the item that people would care about and oogle over. No, everybody just cares about this sweater. And I did not understand the hype of this sweater. Okay, where are we gonna put her where you can like see her this whole time? On my messy desk? Okay. I didn't get the hype on this sweater until I tried it on. I posted a little shopping vlog, I think, on TikTok. I'll probably post it to Instagram too later on. But I just put it on and I was like, ooh, actually. And to be fair, this is like work from home lifestyle. I mean, yes, no, maybe. I don't know. There was just something about it that spoke to me that day. Also, okay, we're gonna just keep returning to her because how good with the black. And I know I'm not supposed to wear black because I've been telling you like I'm warm tone, and then here I am with black and blue and red all over, but it just is what it is. Also, how cute would this mini Kelly be with it? Oh, I don't know if I've showed it to you yet. There's a Dior skirt it would be really cute with. Anyway, so this is the first piece of ready to wear. The second piece I'm not gonna try on I'm feeling lazy right now, but I will show you, and I have to say it is much better on. If I'm not feeling lazy later on, I will insert a video of you wearing it, or just go to my other socials. But it is this LBD, look how cute, with like a little, I don't know if you can see, there's like a belt in the middle, so it's like very shapely, very cute. I got deodorant on it when I was trying it on, little kick in the back. And this is a size 42. And this sweater is a size 40. So this is very oversized, I would say. And this is true to size, I would say. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. Okay. Then we have a couple of belts. And actually one of them, I'm so excited to share with you. I don't know which is which, so we'll just start with this one. You know what a box looks like. I think this was a new buckle. I hadn't seen it before, and I just felt like, I was like, oh, that's kind of cute. It's kind of different. Yes, this is the one I thought. So I got the Rouge Auch, is that how you say it? With this rose gold and gold on one side, Rouge Auch on the other. But I thought Rouge looked so cute with the rose gold. I was like, why don't they do more like that? Like, that's such a great combo. Okay, now we need to put down the bag, because this is, I feel like the Blue Hydra and the Rouge, not necessarily the one. Okay, and these jeans are more mid-rise, so let's see. Okay, curvy girl problems, because I'm literally like 3 different size belts depending on what rise, but these are super high-rise jeans, so you can see, look how cute. Okay, maybe not with the black sweater, but I just feel like Rouge Auch, rose gold, made for each other. Really cute. I also really like this buckle. It's sweet. I have two holes that I could go lower in, but I don't need to with this high waist here. Okay, anyway, then, okay, this belt I'm really, really, really excited to share with you, and if it doesn't work with these jeans, we'll switch back. I don't know. This is something I had never seen before at Hermès, and I just thought that will be really cute with my bag or with jeans or with a dress. Okay, so it's this belt buckle. Have you seen that before? I'm like, I've never seen anything like this. And then this belt, people were also like, ooh, that's so cute. So it's denim on one side and blue on the other, and the phone's gonna die. So I'm gonna have to switch batteries. I will be right back. I'll be right back. Are you ready? How cute is this? It is just like, I don't know. And I feel like it'll also be good just with like a dress on its own, not even with jeans, because here, let me show you. So like the ends of the belt are the smaller, I don't know, whatever this standard millimeter size is. So this buckle could technically work on this belt as well. Like we could switch it around, but then it's like wider all the way around. So it really is, this one really is more of a waist belt. So you could do it like over a sweater, over a jacket or something. You don't even need to thread it through. It's like more of just like a statement. I actually like it better not threaded through, because it's more of like harness vibes, like from the runway, whereas this one's more of like a traditional belt. So cute. But this one with the silver is just really cute with this. Actually not mad at the red, white, and blue. Don't hate me, but I would switch the rose gold out for this palladium, silver, palladium, whatever. Okay, but that's my bag. This is my bag. This is what I got. That's my sweater. I'm so thrilled, in love. If you want the whole girl math pre-spend of it all, if you're interested in the journey, let me know. Maybe we'll do another video with that. But otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video, and I hope you're all having a really great day, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.